Hello folks, welcome to Lester's. I acquired this Ranger TR396FC thinking that it was a sideband radio, but it's not. And that's my fault because I didn't pay attention to the number. I just saw a clarifier on there and thought, oh, okay, you know, sideband, but that's an AM clarifier. So what I did was put a LC35-128 kit in it, tested it, tuned it. I did have to replace the PLL chip. The PLL chip was bad. That's why I got it, why the person was selling it. And let's see, the AM power control has been moved up front. I forget which control it is, but it's on the front panel now. I'll figure that out and label it. But it's in. It's got chrome covers and everything on it. The faceplate looks okay. I'm not sure what that SM. Maybe that was somebody's initials over there on the faceplate. You see that? That's what it looks like, and it does work. Like I said, it's got chrome covers on it, but they are scratched, and you know, it's like been slid around on a truck floorboard or something for a while. What I figure happened is that the radio quit working, so the truck driver just put it in the floorboard thinking he'd get it fixed one day and just went and bought another radio. That's usually what happens. But it was the PLL chip. PLL chip's been replaced. The LC135 has been added, so you got 40 below channel 1 and 40 above channel 40. Yeah, so 3 bands, low, medium, and high. Alright, let me hook it up here and I'll show you the output power. Okay, there it is. Figured out which one was the power control. It's the dimmer control. Controls the output power. Okay, and these two here control the band for the LC35. This one is the plus 10 KC. Alright, I can label all of these, and I'll do that before I ship it out. Alright. Okay, it doesn't come with a microphone or bracket or power cable, so you'll need to provide all that, or you can buy it through the store the same time you buy the radio. Let's do a quick power check. I'm on, let's switch it up to channel 20. Okay, now on channel 20. With it turned all the way up, we're dead keying, was that 5, 6, 7, about 7 watts. If I turn it all the way down, turns it all the way down to about 2. Audio. That's what, about 42, 46, about 46 watts of swing. With it turned all the way down, the multipliers in times 1. And I'm going to turn it all the way up. Audio, hello, audio. Audio 1, 2. You can see it does better on swing with it turned all the way down. See, what does it do at 12 o'clock? We're doing about 5 watts. Audio, about 42, 44 watts. So, with it turned all the way down, you dead key 2, and swings to about 46. Audio. Okay, everything works on it, except the dimmer, of course. That's been disconnected so that you can control the power up front. I'm going to leave it turned all the way down. I would have put it on the SWR calibrate, but you know, I don't. Maybe you can't do that with this one. Maybe the value's wrong. But there it is. It'll be for sale in the store. Okay. I'm thinking maybe 150, 200, something like that. I'll compare prices on like about the only place I can compare is eBay. See what I can find on eBay, and I'll get somewhere around that and put it on the store. Okay. I also got fan kits for the Sweet 16s coming, and also remote kits for the Sweet 16s, Texas Stars. Okay. All right. 7-3, everybody. Stay safe.